Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by setting a clean, level area and laying out the new clothes in order of wear. Once ready, remove jewelry and any restrictive items so fabric slides easily. This prevents snags. Start with unfastening zippers and buttons on the current outfit, then gently roll sleeves and hems inward as you peel clothing off. Make sure to support fabric near seams to avoid stretching. This preserves shape. Keep the new garments organized, top to bottom, ready for the next step. You now remove the old pieces systematically. Tops first, then bottoms, keeping a steady rhythm to avoid tangles. Once bare, position the new top by aligning its shoulder seams with the wearer's shoulders. Insert one arm, then the other, smoothing fabric as you go. For bottoms, guide the garment up while the wearer shifts weight. Make small adjustments at seams to center pockets and waist. Use pins or clips only temporarily, then replace with proper fasteners. This careful alignment prevents twisting and ensures comfort. You finish by securing all fastenings and assessing fit with movement. Ask the wearer to lift arms and bend slightly. Confirm a 10 to 15 degree of unrestricted motion across joints. Smooth wrinkles, tuck hems, and set collars so they sit evenly. Once done, mirror check symmetry. If you find tightness at shoulders, waist, or sleeves, stop and readjust seams or try a different size. Never force a garment. For stubborn closures, use a clip or a quick tailor stitch. This resolves most final issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.